bit, so hopefully I'll do a good job and that you get to learn a little bit about cryptocurrency and what's happening in the real world, which is my world and your world. So thank you for joining. And if you are watching this as a recording, congratulations for taking some time out of your busy schedule to learn a bit about what's happening in the world that we all live in right now. So what I love to do is start off with coin market cap. So I'm going to quickly go to a screen share and surprise everyone. So here's coin market cap. Now, I would have loved to say my slides that I'm going to go through tonight are up to date, but they're about half an hour old and things change very quickly in my world. So we've had some really big movements in the marketplace, but I'm going to talk about this coin market cap up here, some volume over the side, what's happened with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. They're the coins that I love the most. And I think those coins there are the ones that we all need to be keeping tabs of and understanding that this is happening to us right now. So welcome to Intro to Crypto, the Dacxi Coffee Chat. I love having coffee. I'm a bit of an addict on coffee. I enjoy helping people very quickly over a coffee at a coffee club or any other coffee place that makes nice coffee, understand a little bit about cryptocurrency and where they're sitting in the world of finance right now and how the world of finance has moved. My name's Andrew Squalari. I'm a crypto asset strategist. I've been involved with the cryptocurrency industry for over 5.5 years now. I absolutely love the space. I love the technology. I love what technology is going to do in your world. And more importantly, I love how it's going to change the way that we look, feel, and connect up with each other globally. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial trading or any other sort of advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence. Make sure you consult a financial advisor if you're making serious financial decisions, because there are tax implications, very positive tax implications involved with getting involved with cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, if your advisor or your accountant does not have crypto, then I don't feel they qualify to give you professional advice. But that's my opinion, and that's opinion formed from talking to people that tried to give me advice about crypto but failed. I think everyone here is trying to create long-term wealth. That's what we're here for tonight, to understand how we are going to make wealth into the future, tomorrow, for our children, for our grandchildren, and for the legacy that we leave behind when we're no longer here. So wealth is a problem that has been around for thousands and thousands of years. Some people are lucky, they've got great timing, they've got great vehicles, they've got knowledge or help. Us just slog our way through our life trying to create wealth. But there are certain periods in life where things become easier. Now, in the traditional classic wealth creation area in Australia, it's been fantastic up until 2019, where things suddenly changed with a little virus that apparently come out of somewhere, a test tube or a bat. I'm not too sure where it came from, but it doesn't matter. It has affected us pretty severely. So the share market is at an all-time high because of this little virus that we've had. The governments have gone into what they call quantitative easing. It means the governments are printing enormous amounts of money and putting it into the market. That market is the share market, and it is the property market. So they're actually exploding right now. And because of what's happened with COVID, we've got a very big population shift happening in Australia, and people are moving out of the areas that have been heavily restricted and moving into sunny Queensland and enjoying the delights of hailstorms and floods and mosquitoes and cockroaches and crocodiles. So we're all moving into Queensland and enjoying the delights of Queensland, but not being locked down, which is good. And obviously, if you've got cash in any form of managed areas, superannuation, someone controlling your cash and how much you generate income from it, it is also a big problem because they're just not performing anywhere near what they used to. And of course, bank deposits at the moment are 0.1% in Australia, which is just ridiculous. But it's becoming worse as this year progresses through. We will go negative like the rest of the world. And I was talking to someone the other day, and they purchased a property over in Germany, and they're getting paid 1% to buy a house in Germany. That's how bad having a bank deposit in Germany is right now. And it's going to come here as well. It's just a matter of time. So the big question you have to ask is, with what's happening globally with money, what's happening with this global recession, except for the quantitative easing policies of government, what are you going to do differently from the start of 2021? Have you looked at your portfolio? Have you looked at your cash deposits? Have you looked at your assets? Are they going to perform better in 2021 compared to 2020 or maybe 2019? So just to give you a bit of relief, well, there are areas of our financial markets that are moving dramatically. We are now experiencing the beginnings of a thing called the second crypto boom. Most people are very aware of this wave one event that occurred in 2017. They all remember Bitcoin getting up to $29,000, then crashing and burning down to 4,300. Everyone talks about it, everyone knows about it, but what has happened now that institutional money from last year is starting to really hit the cryptocurrency market. So institutional money managers like Fidelity, BlackRock, Grayscale, Microtrends, and literally hundreds of other companies are now heavily buying the blue chip cryptocurrencies. That's what's happening. It's really moving fast now. That's why one Bitcoin is now worth 43,900. Now, what I might do is just go back over here. Where were we? So half an hour, we're 43,900. Now we're 44,133. So in only a few minutes, we have jumped up to a couple $100 extra. So our market does move very, very quickly. So you can see that things are moving. So 43,900, it could be 4,500, it could be 4,200 tomorrow. It doesn't matter. We're looking at this trend line. That's what we're looking for. Now, at the end of 2020, we had the introduction of consumer spending providers like Visa, MasterCard, Square, WeChat, Alipay, PayPal being the biggest. So we've changed the chasm from just institutional money and a few speculators over to the larger payment providers, which are going to introduce a lot of people into cryptocurrency. So since PayPal's got involved and we've got Fidelity, those two companies there are buying every single piece of Bitcoin that they can find. And what's really driving the market right now is institutional FOMO. If you don't know what FOMO stands for, it's fear of missing out. It's not you, me, and your neighbor and your mum and your uncle and your brother that really wants to get into crypto now. It's the institutions. It's these guys over here that really are desperate. The rich, famous, the wealthy, and the institutional manager buying up all the cryptocurrency right now. The general public is missing it still, but they are going to wake up very soon and they're going to want to jump in and they're going to want to buy it through PayPal. They're going to want to buy it through Visa and MasterCard, and they want to spend it. These institutions don't want to spend it. They want to buy it and hold on to it and drive this second wave up higher and higher and higher and enjoy the rewards of getting involved with an institution on the severe incline. So institutional FOMO is hitting now. The public haven't really hit cryptocurrency yet. So we'll go back to the coin market cap. So we've hit $1.2 trillion worth of market cap, Aussie. Talk Aussie numbers here because we live in Australia. If you're over in the UK, you can convert that over to pounds. I'm not too sure what that conversion rate is, but $1.2 trillion. And only the other day it was $1 trillion, and only a few days before that it was 800 billion. So this number is growing dramatically, and a sixth of that volume is being traded on a daily basis. So it's very, very traded. So this thing is moving very fast. People are buying and selling. The bears who are selling the coins are getting bought out really quick by the bulls. So the bulls are really controlling the market. That's why it's going up so quickly. So the blue chip cryptocurrencies, like we talked about, Bitcoin today's moved up 12%, 27% for the week, 9% for Ethereum, 53% for the week. Who'd love to have bought some Ethereum last week? Oops, I did. Sorry about that. And the last one of our blue chips is some Litecoin, 8.2% for the day, 28% for the week. Now, if you had those numbers in the S&P 500, the ASX, every single media person on the TV, including Yogi Bear, would be screaming, buy cryptocurrency. But they're silent because they don't want you buying it at this price. They want you buying it more. So cryptocurrencies are definitely on the move. And we'll talk about Bitcoin over the last 3 months. So we love to look at trends. I'm not a trend setter, but I'm a trend follower. So USD 3 months ago, one Bitcoin was worth $10,700. It's worth nearly 4 times that amount in a 3-month period. It has doubled in the last month. I don't know how your bank deposits are going. I don't know how your house price that you own is going. I don't know how much your car is worth, but you probably should have sold it a month ago because you would have doubled that value in just Bitcoin in the last month. It is going up very quickly. We've got Ethereum. I like Ethereum because everything else other than Bitcoin is based pretty much on the Ethereum code. So again, $344 3 months ago to $1,000 just today. So it's gone up by 300%. That's okay. That's a pretty good capital gain over 3 months. Again, it's doubled in the last 30 days. And Litecoin, my last one, it's the silver of the cryptocurrencies in my view. $45 up to $159, a total rise of $140 in the last 3 months. That is amazing. $110 in the last 3 months. You know, you'd be happy if you got involved with a blue chip bundle 3 months ago. You'd be certainly excited to be involved in the last month. For those that are looking at this for the first time, you haven't missed the boat. The reason why you haven't missed the boat is because these guys, the institutions, are still starting to get involved. They are really moving into cryptocurrency now. They're starting this wave here. That's where they are. These consumer spending providers are buying a lot, but they're not really going to be putting in the trillions of dollars of these institutions are. Governments, major corporations are all buying cryptocurrency now as a beginning. We'll put in 1%, then they'll put in 2%, 5%, 10%. And the next couple of years is going to be very exciting for people that hold cryptocurrency, because what they do affects us very positively. Now, where I sit and what I love to talk about is the Dacxi wealth creation platform. Dacxi is the platform that I like because it makes crypto made easy. When I got involved with crypto, I wish Dacxi was ran, but for you guys looking at this for the first time, I like it that we've made it very, very easy for the retail investor to take advantage of what the institutions are taking for granted. We have got an A+ security rating, which means it's very safe from the technology. On top of that, we have a wealth creation system giving you confidence to understand and learn about cryptocurrency, going from the website that's got training programs to the community webinars like tonight, and also other forms of social media and connections and live events that you can attend to develop confidence in cryptocurrency and to develop true wealth out of that. Now, the great thing I like about Dacxi is they're opening up 100 platforms globally, allowing local communities in every country around the world, in 100 countries, to get involved with cryptocurrency and have a new community of like-minded people all helping each other understand crypto and get involved with this new wealth area and idea. Now, through the programs that Dacxi actually does, which makes it a lot easier, is the Wealth Builder program, which is a blue chip bundle, which is your Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And of course, you get the DAC coin, which is the community exchange coin. You get a 10% extra DAC coin on top of that. We also have a wealth protection program for those people that aren't super confident with crypto, but they want to get involved with precious metals. And traditionally, precious metals were very attractive to people before 1972. Not so attractive now because it's not a very good currency, but with the Dacxi platform, we can actually turn precious metals back into currency because its technology allows us to do that. So you've got silver, platinum, gold, and of course in Dacxi coin with an extra 10% bonus on top of that. And the one that I like the most is the wealth transformation. This is what I've used predominantly, is the DAC pack system. So you get the Dacxi Exchange coin, which you're going to use for crowd financing. And at the moment, you get a 50% extra coins when you purchase this particular pack. This one I like the most because we've got a really good crowd financing model on our platform, which I'm going to take maximum advantage about helping people get involved with cryptocurrency and then converting that wealth into real world projects. They're going to change the way we connect up with the world. How to buy, like I said, it's very easy. Someone would have shared this video with you or how to talk with you about cryptocurrency, and they just want to help you. So they share you with a link. You would pick which one of the programs that resonates with you the most, whether it's a blue chip bundle, a precious metal bundle, or a DAC pack. You select the buy, you type in the amount of, the amount you would like to purchase, $100 for the blue chip or the DAC pack, $200 or more for the precious metal bundle. You type that in just here, you click buy. Then you get to create an account. So it's an email address, 12-digit password, 1 capital, 1 number, 1 numeral. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. Don't be like everyone else and just clicks on that. Read the terms and conditions and open up an account. You'll get invited to verify your email address, log in, and then do the KYC process, which is know your customer, verifying your account to comply with Austrac licensing laws. Once Dacxi gets your money, you send your money, making sure you use the unique reference code, and you've opened and verified your account. Your coins will get allocated into your account. If you want to buy more, click on this top up button, go over to buy and sell, buy more programs if you wish, or individual coins as you wish. But congratulations, you've switched from having Australian dollars or pounds or euro or dong or whatever money you have at the time over to cryptocurrency, and you've started your journey and learning about cryptocurrency, developing some confidence and some true wealth in cryptocurrency. Thank you for being open to learning. We appreciate your time. Plan for the future, but take action now. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, go to Dacxi.com, go to the What We Do tab, go to the learning area. That's the beginning stages of learning. Go through the customer training in there, learn about cryptocurrency, develop some confidence, buy some more crypto, get involved with the community, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much for your time. Loved having you on tonight, and make sure that you get back to the person that shared this video with you. Take care. Bye-bye.